Hi everyone, this is Steve with HomeStrung Jewelry
And Debbie.
with her brand new nails.
I'll show them again in time for Halloween.
Oh, lots of time before Halloween. Today we're going to be telling you about our new subscription program, and we're going to be showing you the components that are going into the box. But before we do that,
we're going to do a Meet the Orphan, real quick, couple-minute video showing you what the doorstep orphan for this first box is going to be.
All right, so give me just a second to cue up the exciting music and the new pictures, and we'll show you what we've got.
Today we're going to introduce you to a doorstep orphans that are called Volcano cherry quartz. This particular gemstone, the biggest question that I've been asked is this a natural stone or a man-made stone?
And which is it, Debbie?
The answer to both questions is yes, it is both.
It's a natural man-made stone?
That's
right. It's made by natural men.
What volcano cherry quartz is, and this is going to be a brief description, is they take quartz, which comes from the earth, they heat it up until it is fluid. Then they add different minerals. They'll add cinnabar in order to get the red hues. They will add iron oxide to get your yellows and browns. And they might even add little touches of titanium and other minerals. These flow into the melted quartz, and because it's a fluid, they flow into different patterns and colors. And then when the stone is cooled, it's pretty rough to begin with, but they then cut, shape, and polish it just like you would any other gemstone.
I mean, this is basically earth, fire, air, water. I mean, I see aspects of air in this. I see the fire, of course, but I also see like wind and water flows patterns in it.
What I love about it and why it fits into our unique one-of-a-kind gemstones is that they cannot predict how the pattern and colors are going to come out. They can't duplicate each one. Every one of them is unique, just like all of our orphans are.
And it's not an old stone. This is an old process. This is fairly new and recent, but it's accepted as a semi-precious gemstone.
That's because of it's using all natural materials when it's being done right. And you're right, historically volcano cherry quartz is a recent addition to the semi-precious gemstone community.
Yeah, and it's meaning it doesn't revolve around what it has been, but instead it focuses on the possibilities of what it is and what the components are within it.
You're right. The meaning of volcano cherry quartz has a beautiful symbolism to it. It is referred to as the stone of hope and faith. It combines all the powerful energy that you get with quartz with a lot of the passion and fiery power from the cinnabar, and you get a stone that doesn't revolve around what has been in the past, but focuses on all the possibilities of tomorrow. So we're excited about this first group of gemstone doorstep orphans. Now we're going to give you a sneak preview of what's going to be included in the box that they come in.
And that's one of the keys here. We listen to you and you all like the boxes. And so this is going to be a box, a subscription box. It's a little smaller than what we've done in the past, but that's because we've packed some amazing, great things inside. So let's open it up.
Let's see what you get.
Okay, first off, we've got the really important stuff and the inventory sheet that tells you all of the exciting new components that are going to be going into this box. And we'll set that aside. We, of course, have our envelope
that contains the certificate of adoption along with the registration number. However, this is one of the biggest changes. This subscription program will not include a front and back picture of your individual orphan, but it does include a certificate with all of the properties and a description about what volcano cherry quartz is, all of that sort of thing. This change was necessary because one of the problems we had with our previous subscription program was too many boxes to the...
It was time consuming, it was busy, and we'd rather spend the time and the money giving you better components.
There we go. That's a good way to describe it.
All right, here's the box with this. Everybody gets tissue paper.
Yes.
That's important. And we have our orphan, we have a gift, and we have our bag that contains all of the components, but let's start with the orphan. And as we explained in the little video, the component, the Gemstone Orphan, the doorstep baby for this month, is a Volcano cherry quartz.
And just because I wanted to hurry and pull out a couple of others, they can come in heart, teardrop, ovals, coins.
Gosh, we've got shields. We've got even a couple of moons, I think.
Yeah,
in this set.
The color and pattern vary, just like you saw in the preview. No two are exactly alike.
This particular orphan's name is Jessica, and there's information all about the stone of hope and faith in the certificate.
But now, move these out of the way. And we'll move on to the dress-up bag. Oh, this is the free gift that we give. We try to do a free gift bonus. We don't want to spoil the surprise, so we're not actually going to show you what is in this box.
Actually, it's just the box. It's just a really nice box. No, there's something in the box. I can hear it in there. Okay, and so we have this bag with all of the components, and we're going to lay it out. Is that correct, Debbie?
We're going to lay it out, and then we'll be right back to show you what some of them are.
Okay, and here it all is.
A sneak preview of what is in the dress-up bag.
This is everything that's laid out, of course, with our Gemstone Orphan, Jessica, here in the middle.
Right there, just kind of show you how it all blends in together.
And we're going to do this very quickly. We're not going to extend this out for an hour. And so let's talk about the strands first off.
Okay, you're going to get 3 strands of cherry and volcano cherry quartz. 8 millimeters, you're getting a half strand.
Half strands. These are long strands.
So that's approximately 25 beads. They are frosted.
That's the 8 millimeter.
And the 6 millimeter, you get 25 beads. They're just normal volcano cherry quartz. 4 millimeter is cherry quartz, but they're faceted. And again, a full half strand equates to right around 44 beads.
Then we got chips.
Now this is a rutilated quartz. Chips in all the different colors that rutilated quartz comes in. These are most likely going to be in a bag. They came on a strand, but we can't take the time to restring them, so we'll probably pull them off into a bag.
And we've got hematite.
This is a antique copper hematite spacer beads. If you haven't picked up on the fact that our metal color with this box is antique copper.
And then we have crystal.
And then this is a full strand of your 4 millimeter bicone crystals. There's
pretty.
About somewhere around 90 beads on those.
I call it a bazillion.
Yeah, 80 to 85 beads. Okay, so real quick on the rest of the gemstones, you get cherry quartz faceted hearts, some cherry quartz stars. You get some, what they called
tubes.
Chocolate agate tubes. There are some red adventurine and pink jade pumpkins over here. There is some yellow jade faceted ovals. There is a set of mixed colors of jade and red adventurine in different sizes of rice. And we have more rutilated quartz in faceted rondelles. In the glass, we have some designer two-toned pumpkin-shaped. I love these. These are absolutely beautiful. We have a half a strand of the 2.5 millimeter cubes that are in a mixed set of colors that match the stone beautifully. We have a Machan jade over here that I thought really complemented some of the colors that you find in the flames. Then on to, one more set of hematite spacer beads over here. They're really tiny, but I love using those in my designs. On to your finding components. Most all of the findings are nickel-free, cadmium-free, lead-free, and that's noted by the initials on the inventory sheet. So over here we have a couple of toggle clasps that are in a flower and leaf pattern. We are giving you a yard of antique copper Figaro chain. I love the head pins that came in this time. They are 70 millimeter long, so you can make them any length you want up to the 70 millimeter.
Can't make them longer.
The quality of these is really beautiful, and you get 20 of those. Back to the crystals that I forgot were some fire polished briolette drops. They're tiny, but they're beautiful. And then over here are some of your Austrian crystal. We won't give the names anymore since they decided not to continue making beads. But these are called an inverted diamond, and they're in your golden champagne.
They're drilled through the middle.
Color. They're drilled through the middle, but they are absolutely stunning. Okay, back to the findings. We have some cordons that look like small flowers or acorns. Of course, we have a pinch bell that will go with each orphan. We have 2 sets of earrings, 1 set of studs, and a set of hooks. Both sets of earrings are stainless steel with rose gold plating over the top of them. We have bead caps in your antique copper up here. We have a really cool looking metal bead. It's in a brushed antique copper. So if I forgot something, that's okay. It's here in the picture. It's on the inventory sheet. There's a couple of items in here not on the inventory sheet, but they will be in your box. They got added later.
Okay. So that is everything that's in the box.
In the dress
plus
bag.
The free gift.
Yeah, don't forget the free gift because it's a beauty.
Okay, and this is going to be coming out the first week of October. It is available now.
You can sign up for the subscription program now by going to the link that Steve's going to put in the description under this video.
It will be bi-monthly, so this one's coming out the 1st of October. The next one will be the 1st of December.
So every 2 months. The number of boxes that we have available on this first box, we had to limit it because I had to get the stuff ordered in to put the boxes together. Once it has sold out, we will continue taking subscriptions for the December box. So even if it's sold out and says 0, you'll still be able to sign up and be guaranteed a December box. I'm hoping that we don't have to limit them from this point on because we are going to be billing a month in advance, and I can take the number of people who have signed up to make sure that I've got enough boxes. Because of some of the changes that we've made to the subscription program, we were able to lower the price.
I thought it was $3,495. I got the decimal place.
How often do these
point wrong?
Companies actually lower the price? We were starting to push about $60 on our boxes under the previous program. This one, there is not quite as many components, so that's hard to see when they won't fit on the bead mat. But the price has been reduced down to $34.95.
Plus shipping and handling.
Plus shipping and handling, which is just our flat $6
within the U.S.
rate. And we're really excited about this program. So go ahead and sign up.
Come sign up for your doorstep baby.
And every 2 months, you'll get a new doorstep baby with dress-up bag and goodies and prices.
And we will still continue to do other programs, some special boxes and that from time to time. But this is the new subscription program. If you wanted to continue it, you need to sign up now.
The changes that we showed you, like on the certificate, and that they apply only to the subscription program. If we do special collections, like next week, we're doing a Halloween tween, or the naked babies, or the auctions. There you will get the front and back pictures, the same that we've been doing all along. It's only the subscription, and we had to make those changes so that we would be able to do more boxes and keep up.
Be sure that you like and subscribe and ring the bell if you want to continue getting notifications. And gosh, we just appreciate you coming today.
Yeah, we want to thank everybody. We hope that the new program works for more people. I'm excited about it.
If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, or we have our emails down below as well. Anyway, you might want to hurry. There aren't a lot of boxes left. And so if
Not for this first one,
Not
but
for the
from
first one.
this point on, there really shouldn't be a problem in getting onto the program and getting a box. More of it's being explained when you go to the website. So.
Okay, that was quick.
Yep.
All right.
Saying goodbye to everybody. Thank you for being here. This is Debbie.
Bye-bye.
Bye.